right, hello everyone. So, we are going to look over our 4 new vocabulary words this week. They are related to our article this week, which is the Stress Awareness Month article. So, our first word is the word stress.
Stress.
And stress means what you feel when you are worried or uncomfortable about something. So stress is a feeling. So if you're feeling worried about the coronavirus, for instance, or if you're feeling worried about something that you have to do, an assignment you have to do, it might make you feel uncomfortable. It might make you feel sad or mad. The next word is everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone means all people. So everyone, you, me, everyone in your house, everyone in my house, everybody. The next word is the word feel.
Feel.
And this word means to experience an emotion or sensation. So to feel happy or to feel sad or to feel angry or to feel silly or worried. Like every morning we ask, how are you feeling today? And these are all emotions that we feel. We might feel the same emotion for a long time. We might feel differently throughout the day. In the morning, I feel tired. In the afternoon, I feel silly. Something like that. And our last word this week is change.
Change.
Change means to make different. So we have a change here. It changes from one shape to another shape. Something that changed for us is that we went from going to school to not going to school. Huge change, right? We went from being able to go out and do things to now being at home most of the time. So lots of changes are happening right now, which can cause a lot of stress for everyone. And it can make us feel lots of different emotions.